Welcome to this DBAnvil demo. DBAnvil is available as an alpha at app.dbanvil.com. We're currently supporting 4 different vendors. If you haven't already and you've already been using the tool, you should probably create a new account. And this will allow you to save your work. Right now we have a limit of 6 diagrams per account. You can create new tables by clicking this button on the bottom left corner. For new users, I would recommend toggling the helper tooltip that will give you an idea of what each UI element is and how you can interact with it. There are many of these UI elements are going to have a tooltip that tell you what it does. I'm going to name this table here new table. I'm going to add a column here and I'm going to define it as identity, and it's going to be the primary key of the table. I'm going to add a second column. I'm going to make it a varchar. This is how you create relationships by clicking the relationship handler. And one of the advantages of this tool is that it shows exactly which column in the foreign table is the foreign reference in the relationship. A lot of different tools hide this behind, property models. It features a tree view. I'm going to open one of my existing diagrams to demonstrate the integration with AI. So this is an Oracle diagram, and here we have an AI assistant. You can interact with it and you can ask it to do anything, make any changes to your diagram, summarize. For instance, I'm going to ask, how many tables does my diagram have? Currently, this is more like a proof of concept. It's not optimized. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done here. Everything is very intuitive. Everything is very drag and drop. You can move them from one table to another. Very few diagramming tools allow you to do. It also has the ability to modify the diagram for you. So if I say add a prefix diagram, would eventually get back to us and it would automatically modify the table names for us. So imagine if we had like 100 tables, so it's a very convenient way to generate and modify your database schema. It supports saving any changes to the cloud, loading. Here you can change the visual settings of the application, and all the diagram editing, features that you would expect from a diagramming tool are here. You can copy, paste. You can also export diagram to a SQL script by clicking here, or you can download the DBAnvil file and you can share it with your team or store it locally on your computer. You can upload that same file that allows you to distribute your diagram